Corded variable speed rotary toolkit. Includes 3000 high-speed rotary tool, 24 genuine Dremel accessories, Dremel A576 sanding, grinding guide attachment, and accessory storage case. Speed range of 5,000 to 35,000 RPM with 6 variable speeds, provides precise tool control and maximum accessory versatility. High-performance 1.2 amp motor, provides maximum power and performance at all speeds. Slim ergonomic body with soft grip allows for added comfort and control during extended use. 24 versatile accessories included. Ideal for cutting, engraving, grinding, sharpening, detail polishing and sanding. Great for a variety of DIY crafting projects like metal engraving and glass etching. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. One review said this product comes with none of the collets required to use all of the accessories, that is just wrong. Mine came with the appropriate sized collet which fits all of the accessories. Used it day one right out of the box with no issues.